Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Ayasep Chaudhary. Today's date is 23rd September 2021. Today's topic name is JDK, JVM and JRE. Let's in this topic we will discuss what is JDK, what is JVM and what is JRE and difference between JDK, JVM and JRE. Let's start with JDK. JDK is a software development environment used to create a Java program. The full form of the JDK is Java Development Kit. Java developer can use it on Windows, Linux, etc. JDK helps Java developer to write code and run the Java program, and it is possible to install more than one version of JDK on the same computer. Next is JVM. JVM is a heart of the Java programming language, and JVM is a Java virtual machine. JVM is responsible for converting the bytecode to the machine specific code, and JVM is a platform dependent and provides the core Java functions like memory management, garbage collection, security, etc. And JVM is called virtual because it is generate the interface that doesn't depend on the software operating system and hardware. The in independence of the independence that operating system and hardware makes Java write once and run anywhere. Next, JRE. JRE in Java. JRE is a implementation of the JVM. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JRE is used to execute the Java program, and JRE consists JVM Java binaries classes to execute the program successfully, and JVM JRE doesn't carry any development kit like Java compiler, debug, etc. If you want to execute the code only, then you will only install the JRE, because there in code there is a no development, so JVM is JDK is not required. You can just install JRE. Next, let's discuss the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Let's start with JDK. JDK full form is Java Development Kit. JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine, and JRE full form is Java Runtime Environment. JDK is a platform dependent JVM. JVM is a high platform dependent, and JRE is a platform dependent. JDK is used to develop the software in Java applications. Next, JVM is a Java virtual machine that's used to execute the program and provide the environment provide the environment. And next one is JRE. JRE contains the binaries and classes. And next, that's it. This is the information about GRE, JDK, JVM and the difference between JVM, GRE and JDK. Thank you.